In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and edit text in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. If you're new to GoDaddy or you've just launched your website and want to update your content, change headlines, fix wording, or customize your fonts and colors, this tutorial will walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly edit any text section on your site and publish the changes so they go live instantly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and log in using your account details. Make sure you're signing in with the same account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the option that says My Products. Click on My Products to see a list of all the services and websites connected to your account. Scroll down until you find your website builder plan. Next to your website, you'll see a button that says Edit Website. Go ahead and click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site in real time. Once the editor loads, you'll see a preview of your website. Now here's the simple part. To edit any text on your website, move your mouse over the text area you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a button label, or any text section on the page. When you hover over it, you'll notice it becomes highlighted. Click directly on the text, and it will instantly become editable. You can now delete the existing text and type in your new content. It works just like editing text in a document. Simply place your cursor where you want to make changes and start typing. After typing your new text, take a look at the editing options, usually located in the right side panel. This is where you can fully customize how your text looks. You can change the font style to match your brand, adjust the size to make headings bigger or smaller, and modify the color to better fit your website design. You'll also see options for bold and italic formatting if you want to emphasize certain words. In addition, you can adjust the alignment, whether you want the text left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned. There may also be spacing options that allow you to control how close or far apart your lines and letters appear. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks clean and professional. If you want to edit another section, simply click outside the current text box and then click on a different text area. You can repeat this process for any section of your website. Once you're happy with your changes, you need to save them properly. Click Done if that option appears, or simply click outside the text box to confirm your edits. But remember, your changes are not live yet. To update your live website, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This is a very important step. When you press Publish, GoDaddy will update your live website with the new text changes you just made. After publishing, you can visit your website in a new tab to confirm that everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. That's how you add and edit text in GoDaddy Website Builder quickly and easily. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.